Hi everyone. Hi everyone. Dan and I are in Amarillo, Texas. Tonight we're staying at the Cadillac RV Park. I have to tell you, it is a very nice park. It is very clean. And they have a laundry room that's clean. The showers are fabulous. They have full hookups. I would highly recommend it. So it's just off of Highway 40 on the west side of Amarillo. And if you are doing Route 66, this is a place to stop. And there you can see the Second Amendment cowboy giant in the park. It's a little chilly tonight, but that's okay. We have heat, we have electric, we have sewer. We're gonna be just fine. So there you are. It's a really nice park. They have showers, as I said. As you can see, why it's called Cadillac RV Park. They have 3 big Cadillacs here, a pink one, a cream colored one, and a beautiful blue one with fins. I love the fins. And here's some of the scenery across the street. It's pretty rural. The highway runs along, but it's okay. There's a wall between us and the highway for noise. I'm standing at the entrance right now. There we go, and there's a beautiful little gift shop. It's all lit up and cheery. The gift shop is closed at this moment, but it's open during the day. They have some Route 66 stuff here. You know, magnets and t-shirts and things like that, and stuff for Texas. Here's a view of the park. They don't seem to have any problem with older RVs. Ours is 15 years old. I've heard that some RV parks won't let you park your RV if it's over 10 years old. We saw some pretty old ones in here. There's some people who do it, who live here permanently, I guess. And there's some that we're doing just one night. The rates are very good. For a month, I think it's $400 to $450. Not bad at all. Here's a view. You can see our Coachman Leprechaun there at the end, next to the Montana. It's like a little privacy wall. Manager's hut. And there is the office and the showers. The showers and the laundry. Laundry's open till 10 at night. There's 2 washers, 2 dryers. So yeah, I really would recommend this place. I highly recommend it. Very nice place, very nice gentleman who runs it. I'm gonna head back to my camper now. There's my Coachman. I should say our Coachman because it's Dan's too. Our Coachman Leprechaun. And as you can see, they do have some trees in between some of the campsites for privacy, so that's really nice. Hi, Zen Kitty Puck. Kitty kitty. Hi, can you say hi to everybody? What do you think here? Not too bad, huh? You're pretty interested in looking out the window. Hey, Momo. There's our Momo. Where's Bella?
Down here by my feet.
Bella Mia. There's the puppy. Hi, Bella. Hi, baby Bella. Oh, she needs to be unhooked. Hi, baby Bella. You went outside exploring, didn't you, sweetie? Yes, you did. Hi, Momo. You're all comfy on your pillow. Momo. Hi, Momo. Gizmo is our Maltese Chihuahua. Oops.